Learn to walk before you run is a common proverb that emphasizes the importance of mastering basic skills before attempting more complex or advanced tasks. It serves as a reminder that progress is best achieved through a step-by-step approach rather than rushing ahead without a solid foundation. This phrase is widely applicable in various aspects of life, including education, career development, sports, and personal growth. The literal meaning comes from human development, where a child must first learn to balance, stand, and walk before they can run. This natural progression ensures that the body develops strength and coordination gradually, reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Similarly, in other areas of life, attempting advanced tasks without first understanding the basics can lead to mistakes, setbacks, or even failure. For example, in academics, a student must grasp fundamental math concepts before tackling complex equations. In sports, an athlete must build endurance and technique before competing at an elite level. The principle remains the same: success often depends on building competence through gradual learning. In professional settings, this concept is especially relevant. A new employee must first understand company operations and develop core skills before taking on leadership roles. Entrepreneurs must master the essentials of business management before expanding their ventures. Attempting to skip essential steps can result in costly errors and missed opportunities for long-term success. By following a structured learning process, individuals can increase their confidence, reduce frustration, and achieve better results. Beyond skill development, the phrase also applies to personal growth and life experiences. Many people, in their eagerness to achieve success, tend to rush into situations without adequate preparation. This often leads to unnecessary challenges and the need to backtrack and correct mistakes. Taking a patient, step-by-step approach allows for deeper understanding, stronger decision-making, and a more sustainable path to achieving goals. The phrase encourages resilience and persistence, as individuals who embrace gradual progress are less likely to become discouraged by initial difficulties. In conclusion, Learn to Walk Before You Run highlights the value of a structured and measured approach to learning and growth. Whether in education, careers, sports, or personal endeavors, mastering foundational skills before moving to advanced levels increases the likelihood of long-term success. Rushing ahead without proper preparation can lead to setbacks, while a steady and thoughtful progression allows for more meaningful achievements. This principle remains relevant in all areas of life, serving as a timeless reminder that patience, discipline, and gradual improvement are essential components of true mastery.